some of it kind of melted, but it's okay. We're just gonna put that in. Once you mix it together, it's nicely even. Okay, so that's really good. The next we're gonna add in our sugars because we're gonna cream our butters and sugars together, which is the typical cookie magic. So we have our brown sugar, white sugar, put the brown sugar, white sugar. Gonna mix that all together, creaming it up. Molasses. I don't know if I like molasses or not, but I like molasses cookies. Anyways, we're making gingerdoodles, so we're just gonna stick that in. Mix this all together. Oh, and by the way, I'm using the recipe from Handle the Heat, or Can You Handle the Heat? I guess today I am handling the heat. So I'm using her recipe, but the only thing I'm adding that's different is a teaspoon of vanilla. I love vanilla. I'll put vanilla in everything. If it doesn't say vanilla, I will still put vanilla in it because it makes everything taste sweeter, yummier, even in chocolate things. I put vanilla. So I'm adding vanilla because I love vanilla and my family loves vanilla. It kind of smells like pumpkin. I don't know, but molasses to me smells like pumpkin. Anyways, okay, moving on. We are going to add in 1 egg. Mixing this up. Okay, the next thing to add is the spices. Okay, another little thing that I added is cardamom. It's not traditional in snickerdoodles or gingerbread cookies or ginger snaps or molasses cookies, but we got some cardamom the other day and my sister loves cardamom, so I thought, why not add some cardamom? So we're adding that. So we have cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, and cloves. Oh yeah, and don't forget to scrape the sides. Next, we're gonna use a sieve to sieve in the dry ingredients. Flour. And we have our cream of tartar, which is this ingredient makes the traditional snickerdoodles cookie. But if you don't have cream of tartar, which is such a weird ingredient to have, like just randomly this cookie thinks it's all that and needs cream of tartar. Anyways, so if you don't have cream of tartar, you can use baking powder, which, fun fact, is not just one ingredient, but multiple ingredients. There's baking soda, an acid, and sometimes cornstarch. So you can use 2 teaspoons of baking powder instead of cream of tartar and baking soda. Or if you don't have any of those, you could replace the cream of tartar with just an acid like vinegar, but you have to double it. So you would have 2 teaspoons of vinegar if you wanted to replace the cream of tartar. Then I added in the salt and the baking soda. So great. And then with my, oh, I'm at low battery. Okay, so I'll do this very fast. I'm just going to mix it all in. You want your batter to look like this, more or less. And we're gonna refrigerate it for at least an hour until it's a bit firmer. And then I'll see you in a bit. We are back. And I'm just rolling this. It's about, I'd say 2 tablespoons, and then we just put this in cinnamon and sugar. So it's half a cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I added more cinnamon because I love cinnamon. And putting them on my non-stick pan right here. I love this non-stick pan. I got it from IKEA. Great price, and slides right off everything. I put like hard candies, made candied nuts, and just slides right off. So very, very good. Yep, so. All right, these are just out of the oven. I'm gonna let them cool. They will flatten a little bit and we'll get some cracking happening. Okay, so now I'm going to taste one. It's so good. Crunchy on the outside, sweet, chewy,